feature wall, starting off by using some 1x3 furring strips attached directly to the wall using construction adhesive and 1.5-inch spack screws. Attach your furring strips directly to the studs if at all possible. Up next, we're going to attach 1/4-inch plywood sheets right to the furring strips. Again, using 1.5-inch spack screws. You'll need to cut the plywood to fit your space. Here I am finding the center point of my wall, and then I'm going to take the level and draw a vertical line level as a starting point for my wood slices. Now we're ready to start adding the wood slices. I use construction adhesive and then a 3/4-inch finish nail or brad nail. The slices range from a 1/4-inch thick up to a 1/2 inch thick. It's best to have varying thicknesses because that creates dimension in your wall. I highly recommend using the laser level for this project. It helps keep all your rows plumb and level, and you don't have to hold up the level while you're doing it. Once all the wood slices are attached, you can paint if desired. I used a watered down white paint, nothing fancy. And if you do want to fill your nail holes, be sure to do that before painting. To distress the paint a little bit and expose more of that end grain, I just sanded the surface using my palm sander. And then I switched to the Dremel to get into the pieces that are a little bit more recessed. This helped to sand off a bit of the paint. And finally, complete the wall by sealing it with a clear satin polyurethane. Be sure to use water-based so it doesn't yellow your wall. For more information on this project, visit my website at jaimecostiglio.com.